All right, let's get right into it. The digital world is going through a huge shift right now. I mean, it's completely changing how your customers find you online. And the thing is, this future of search, it's not coming, it's already here. So the big question for all of us is, are you ready?
Okay, check this out. Just to give you a sense of what we're talking about, AI search traffic grew by 527% last year. Let that sink in. 527%. You know, to call that a trend is a massive understatement. It's a tidal wave. The whole landscape is being reshaped, and it's happening like right now.
So what does this explosive growth actually mean for you? It means one thing, and it's simple. The rules of the road are changing. The old playbook, the one we've all used successfully for the last 10 years, it's being thrown out the window. We're in a totally new era of AI-driven answers, and this isn't some prediction for the future. This is the reality we're all dealing with today.
Yeah, this isn't just an evolution, it's a full-blown revolution. And for your business, that means there's a brand new battlefield out there, and you've got to know how to fight on it.
So take a look at this. This image really shows what I'm talking about. Over on the left, you've got the stuff we all know, right? The local pack, the map results, and the local organic, those classic blue links. But look over on the right. See that new column? AI search. That's the new frontier. It has its own rules, its own signals. It's a whole new game we have to play. And this is so important. All the work we've done together, all the success you've had with your current SEO, it's fantastic. But here's the hard truth. What got you here, it's not going to get you there. It's only one piece of a much bigger puzzle now. And here's exactly why. For years, the game was simple, traditional SEO. We optimized everything so a person would see a link and click on it. That's it. But now, we've got AI SEO. And this is totally different. This is all about making sure a machine can read our content, understand that we're the expert, and then use our information to give someone a direct answer. We've gone from fighting for clicks to fighting to be the answer. You now have to win in two completely different arenas. So, the obvious question is, how? How can you possibly manage all this new complexity, this whole new battlefield, and still have time to, actually run your business? It feels impossible, right?
Well, we wouldn't bring you a problem this big without having the solution. This is where we introduce your new secret weapon. It's called Adaptify, and it's how we are going to win this new war for you.
So what is Adaptify? Put simply, it's an AI-powered content and brand-building machine that we use to make you dominate both traditional search and the new AI search. It's designed to win on every front. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does this thing actually work? Let's pull back the curtain and show you the power process that we use to win this search game for you. Everything, and I mean everything, starts with research. But this isn't just a person spending a few hours on Google. Adaptify's AI does an incredibly deep dive, analyzing your audience, your competitors, your entire industry, to build the perfect winning strategy from the ground up. Then it takes all that research and builds a powerful content outline. The whole goal here is to establish what we call topical authority. This isn't about writing random blog posts. It's about creating a strategic plan to make your brand the absolute go-to expert in your field. So when people or AIs have a question, you are the answer. And once the content is created, this is where the magic happens. We're not just hitting publish. Every single article, every single piece of content goes through a rigorous 33-point quality check. We make sure everything is perfect and primed to rank. A huge piece of that quality check is making sure the content hits what Google calls EEAT. That stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. It's basically the gold standard for quality, and this system is built to make sure every piece of content screams that you're the trusted authority.
Now, this is absolutely key. Adaptify is the engine, but we, your team here at Foxar, are the expert drivers. After the AI does the heavy lifting, we step in. We handle the final review and approval. Then, we take that amazing content and we convert it into videos, into posts for social media, and use it in your paid campaigns. It's the perfect blend of AI power and our human expertise.
Okay, so let's talk about the payoff. This is what it all comes down to, right? It's about three things: saving you time, saving you money, and growing your business. And look, this isn't just a theory. These are real results from businesses just like yours. We're talking about 173% growth in traffic for one client. Another one literally doubled their search visibility. This system works. And don't just take our word for it. Listen to what people are already saying. The only solution to even consider in the post-AI SEO world. That pretty much says it all, doesn't it? This isn't an option anymore. It's a necessity.
Let me be really clear about the value here. Adaptify automates tasks that would normally cost thousands and thousands of dollars in manual labor every single month. Think about all that time and money you get back to focus on running your business.
So this is your choice. It's time to upgrade and absolutely dominate search. This is your path to becoming the leader in your market.
So let's break down what this upgrade actually looks like. On the left, you see your current plan. Solid, right? But now look at the right. This is what happens when we add Adaptify. Look at the sheer volume of high-quality articles, the powerful links we can build, the videos we can create. The difference is just staggering. The value is undeniable.
So, the only question left is, are you ready to dominate the future of search? The game has changed, but now you have the playbook to win. The next step is simple. Let's get your plan upgraded and secure your future as a market leader. We're ready when you are.